calf PNF stretching. So stand at the edge of a stair or a stool as shown in the video. Make sure you have the proper footwear on to protect the foot. Let the heel drop, putting the calf into a stretch. Notice how the leg is straight, holding the stretch for around 20 to 30 seconds. When that time has elapsed, you contract the calf muscle, hold it for 10 seconds, fatiguing the calf muscle partially. When 10 seconds have elapsed, drop the heel back down, but a little further than before, increasing the stretch on the calf muscle. Notice how she's supporting herself. When the time has elapsed, contract the calf muscle. 10 seconds again. Notice how she's supporting herself again. When 10 seconds have elapsed, drop the heel again, but a little further than before, increasing the stretch on the calf muscle. Do this for 2 to 3 cycles. Then you come out of the stretch and you repeat for the opposite side.